Are you ever just stuck at home and you want to shoot photos? Well, today I'm home, I got things to do, but I also want to shoot photos of what's around me and kind of just see what I can capture. You know, these are the times where I was younger and I couldn't go anywhere to take photos. I was stuck at home as a teenager and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to see what I have around me, and today's one of those days and I'm going to show you what I find, and if it's good, it's good. If it's not, it's not. It's always practice and a learning experience. So let's get into it. I'm recording on my Sony a7 IV, and I will be shooting the photos on my Fujifilm XE-4. So right here you can just see that I have the iron. It's very shiny and glossy, and I'm probably going to end up making this a black and white photo later on when I edit it, but kind of just want to go in and see what I can capture right now. This photo's a little bit overexposed. It's always very difficult to see if anything will actually look okay. Well, we'll find out if those turned out all right later on. Another shot I'm seeing right now is just of these tomatoes I picked this morning from the garden. So I'm trying pretty much to shoot between some of these tomatoes here and see if I can get some, again, more detailed shots. I will have to shoot a little bit zoomed in. And I definitely feel like this classic chrome is not what it's gonna do for me here. Right here in front of us, we just have a money tree. This is a house plant I have. So here we're also gonna try to capture a photo here as well. Okay, so now we're outside and we're gonna try to find some photos to take while we're out here. My house has a lot of like trees and plants and stuff like that, so pretty much try to capture that and capture some flowers. I hope the wind is not too bad. I do have the wind muff on the DJI mic, so let's go out here and look around. The first thing I'm actually seeing out here, sorry about that, there's a lot of dogs around. First thing I'm actually seeing out here is this peach tree I have right behind me, and how it's kind of being framed by the ladder that's right here. So I'm hoping that I will be able to produce a photo that's right here. So let's see what I can potentially get. Got a lot of the ISO on this bad boy. Jeez, it's so bright out here. This is a very high dynamic range scene here, so it'll be interesting to see what I can pull out later in post, because this is definitely going to need to be edited. Try some different angles here. Now, I'm not even really sure if I got those shots. It's so bright out here that it's hard for me to see. It doesn't help that it's also 1 p.m., so it's like mid-brightness. Probably the worst time to ever go out and shoot photos, but again, it's a challenge. It's a, work in progress. So let's find a new shot and keep it moving. So like I said before, we're outside, there's a lot of noise going on. If you hear the air conditioning unit, sorry about that. Air conditioning is running because it's about 92 degrees out right now. But right here, I do have some flowers by me, and I hope that I can get maybe some shots of this, and let's see it and let's check it out. Okay, so just as I was saying, it was getting warm. My camera decided that it's too hot to even record, even though we've only been out here for maybe 15 minutes. Love that. But here in front of us, we do have these flowers, so I'm gonna try to capture some of these quickly. This weather is not being too forgiving right now. It's warm, so my camera's like, get me out of here, get me out of here. So I think we're gonna head back inside and see whatever photos we can grab there. If not, I've grabbed a couple exposures, and that might just be it for now. You guys get the idea of this video. There are things at your house and things outside your house that you can photograph and practice your photography with. If you're young and you can't get outside, you're too young to be doing things, you can practice your photography at home. You can even practice self-portraits at home. That's something, you can use natural light for. Natural light can be used for so many things. And I'm sorry if you can hear the dog. After seeing what I was doing, I think you gotta get the point of the whole video. There are photos you can take within your home and outside your home just to practice. They don't have to be perfect, they don't have to be shared, but it's all about practice. And it's the point that you can go out and see the beauty in the small things that are around you. If this video gave you any ideas of things you'd want to shoot within your own home, go for it. Today I just showed you things that I have that are basic things that pretty much every house will have around them. Yes, there are other things I could photograph, like, fancy watches, fancy jewelry, pets, whatever, but most people will have such a plant, or they will have an iron at home, fruits and vegetables, things you could photograph like that. They don't have to be expensive. They don't have to be unique. Just practice your photography. Just keep on practicing. The more you practice, the better you'll get. The more you'll learn, and that's how you become a better photographer in every aspect of it. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below what you'll want to photograph at your house. If you liked it, leave a like on it. If you don't like it, let me know in the comments why. And maybe you'll even subscribe for future content. But thank you guys for watching.